In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get Airdrop Solana on Devnet. So how can you have an airdrop of Solana on your Devnet account? As a developer, you need to pay for transaction fee and a lot of things when you are developing. So getting an airdrop, Solana airdrop to your Devnet wallet will surely help, and I will cover that in this video. Welcome, dear friend. I'm Solomon Foske, founder of dProgramming University, a free Web3 development education platform. Please note our content are for education purpose only, not financial, trading, investment, programming or development advice into any of the platform discussed. Always do your own research. And please, we may get sponsorship, partnership, token or whatever form during, before or after creating this content, but we try as much as possible to remain unbiased and make it educative. If that agreed on, let's get right into this content. Now, if you are to get an airdrop, this a wallet we are using. For example, you can see that this wallet has 0 SO and what 0 actually, and then the amount is this. So whereas you want to develop, you want to interact with blockchain, Solana program, or deploy your own, or interact with some and things like that, so you will need to pay fee and test a lot of things out. So for you to be able to do that, you can add on to the Facet Solana Facet, which airdrop Solana so for you, and you can see it marks of like 2 requests per hour. So you can just get this wallet. Let's go in there. Amount. So for now, let's just do one. Verify you are a woman. So I said I should confirm the airdrop. So make sure the wallet is correct, because it might not allow you, you see, maximum of about 2 requests per hour, which means if it's not in the right wallet or you mistakenly do anything, you may need to wait for another 1 hour after or something. So confirm. Or has it come for the first one? Let's see. Oh, I already got the first one. So I'm not asking again. So I've confirmed it, and then we have this already. You can see it. It now has 1 SO. If I go here, you can see that I just received the 1 SO now, and I have it in my wallet. So this is how you can get SO or Solana airdrop on Devnet for any development activity or whatever you want to do as a developer on Solana Devnet, or even if you are just a user and you want to test, because at times some developer launch project first on the Devnet, and then you want to test it out, you will still need to pay for gas fee. So this also help you even if you are not the developer. Having this, then you can now start doing transaction and some other things like that. So hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then like, subscribe, tap notification bell, and share your experience in the comment below. Also make sure you join the community where we have on our Discord, and then at the same time, if you like what I'm doing and want to support DPU project to keep creating solid Web3 development content
for free for others, kindly use the donate link as well in the description. So I remain Solomon Foske. Always keep the programming spirit high and alive, and please do good always to humanity and nature with your programming skill and not evil, to make the world a better place for us all. Peace and bye.